Mbere ya mucirithania Frederick Larabi wa igoti ria Nyahururu ni Mwikuirwo BERRNARD WAIGURU arakinyirio agikuruhanio na mahitia ma gukorwo na bangi mugaru na watho wa kuhurana na dawa cia kulevya wa mwaka wa 2022. KURERIKANA BERRNARD WAIGURU AIKIIRIO ngono itũra-inĩ ria KIGUMO Nyahururu kaunti-inĩ ya LAIKIPIA na bangi iria ahithite konteina-inĩ na irerikana yarehetwo itũra-inĩ riri ni mundu toikaine mweri ũmwe na nuthu muhituku iria ni ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 41. Agikinyaniria itua riake mucirithania Larabi augite riri ni ihitia riri na uritu muno kuona wendia wa bangi ni wongererekete guku bururi-ini na Mwikuirwo arabatara kioho kia iguru.
That Robert went and placed the container on his land before even buying the land and without his knowledge. That he later came to know that the container contained cannabis sativa. That closed the defense case. And the issue for determination is whether the prosecution proved the charge of trafficking cannabis sativa by the accused person.
Larabi ni athire Mwikuirwo uyu akundikwo kioho kia miaka 30 kana faini ya ciringi milioni 50, akiuga mwena wa thitango ndunaheana wira muiganu wa kugiririria Mwikuirwo uyu oho kioho kia miaka 30.
Circumstances, I do sentence the accused person to pay fine of Kenya shillings 50 million or in default 30 years imprisonment to serve as an example and to deter other members of public engaged in such vice. The accused person was pleaded not guilty. He was granted bond of Kenya shillings 1.5 million with the surety of similar amount.
No na thutha wa kuheo mweke etetere, Mwikuirwo ndanahota gwitetera hari wira uria ukuheanitwo ni mwena wa thitango, na uguo kioho giake kia miaka 30 giakinyanirio angikorwo ndekuhota kuriha faini ya ciringi milioni 50. No na gukiri uguo ni aheirwo thikũ 14 cia gucokia cira riko guku igoti rigiathana bangi ino icinwo mbere ya utongoria wa maafitha borithi a mwena uyu hamwe na maafitha ugima wa mwiri a Nyahururu.
3 bags of cannabis sativa produced as exhibit number 12 is hereby forfeited for destruction in the presence of the DCC Nyahururu, the OCPD Nyahururu, DCI, the OCS Nyahururu, the court administrator, and the public health authorities.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.